Welcome back. We have some breaking news coming in. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has slammed the TMC government over corruption, women's safety and illegal immigrants in the state of West Bengal. Now, Rajnath Singh claims that illegal infiltrators have come into the state of West Bengal, and he has in fact also said that this matter will be thoroughly investigated. Let's listen in to what Rajnath Singh said.
पश्चिम बंगाल में एक बहुत ही दर्दनाक घटना घटी। मैं ममता जी से कहना चाहता हूं, आपके रहते संदेश खाली जैसी घटना पश्चिम बंगाल में हुई। बहनों के साथ लंबे समय से अत्याचार किया जा रहा था, उनके ऊपर जुल्म ढाया जा रहा था। आपको और आपकी सरकार को पूरी जानकारी हो चुकी थी, लेकिन एक अपराधी को संरक्षण दे रही थी आपकी सरकार। और बहनों भाइयों, अब तो सीबीआई जांच प्रारंभ हो चुकी है। अब वह शख्स जेल में है। फांसी होना तय था।
18's Payal Mehta is joining us on this story. Payal, so that's a big attack that is coming in from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who claims that illegal infiltrators are there in the state of West Bengal that the TMC uses for their vote bank politics.
That's been the constant line of attack as far as the BJP is concerned against Mamata Banerjee and the TMC. And Rajnath Singh not only speaking about the illegal migrants, but he's also making a very, very strong reference to Sandesh Khali in episodes like Sandesh Khali, saying that Mamata Banerjee and the TMC have in fact shielded criminals and crimes all the time. And that's the reason, episodes like Sandesh Khali really happened. Because remember, Sheikh Shah Jahan and his men looted, the locals for years together, for decades together, in fact, and they were in fact brought under the book only because it was a decisive Narendra Modi-led government in the centre who actually tried to seek justice for them, and that's the reason that Sheikh Shahjahan is currently under CBI custody. But illegal migrants and the fact that they've been able to get protection of the state government is something which has been raised by BJP all along, essentially saying that the Bangladeshi migrants who were illegally allowed to move inside and were given ID cards, etc., they were actually a crucial vote bank as far as Mamata Banerjee is really concerned. So that's been the BJP's line of attack, saying that we need a safe Bengal, we need security for women, we need all of this to really happen, and that's the reason obviously the BJP is seeking votes for Narendra Modi in his third term, essentially saying that he is going to be able to do that. And Rajnath Singh was making this comment while he was speaking in the northern part of Bengal. He was in fact, if I'm not wrong, in Kuch Bihar when he made this statement. So extremely important given the fact that the Bengal unit of the BJP has been extremely confident of doing very well in this upcoming Lok Sabha elections, especially with the northern part of Bengal being very, very pro-BJP.
All right, Payal, please stay with us. We're now shifting focus.